What's up guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do Jaden Smith text effect that he uses in all the cover arts. First, you want to create a new project. You can do it easily clicking the shortcut Ctrl N and then click the text tool and type anything you want. Okay, I'm gonna type icon. Check this. I'm gonna select it and centralize like this. Ctrl D to select, and then you want to the 3D tab and select new 3D extrusion from selected layer. The 3D workspace will pop up. Okay, so now play around with the position and scale. I'm just gonna drag it down until I see the top like this. Okay, it's good enough, but you can play around with this. You can do it whatever you want. Okay, now go to the scene, select scene, go to the scene style, change it to unlit texture, select it, go back to the text and play around with the extrusion depth. I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, it's good enough. Okay, now we're gonna turn this extrusion into a gradient. To do this, you want to select this tab and select the text extrusion material. Go to diffuse, click it and select new texture. Set, and this window will pop up. Now select the gradient tool, clicking J. I already got this gradient created, but you can also play around with the colors. I'm gonna leave it like this. Hold shift and drag it all the way down, and you will get something like this. Okay, save it, Ctrl+S, and whoa, you got the Jaden Smith text effect. And once it's done, you can convert this layer into a smart object and drag into your photos. Scale it like this, and boom, you got it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment down below and share this video. Peace.